Today, we'll install an Emtek thumb press with an interior lever lock into a door installed with a PanoLock Plus multi-point locking system. Emtek's levered hardware is handing specific. Please check with your lock hardware supplier to ensure the correct handing is obtained. PanoLock Plus multi-point lock is not handing specific. The PanoLock Plus adapters required for this install are the H adapter for the deadbolt and the split square adapter for the door handle, which are contained in your PanoLock Plus adapter kit. Before installing the adapters, the upper and lower tapered bolts are to be placed in the retracted position using the PanoLock construction tool. Screwdrivers should never be used to operate the handle and deadbolt drives. From the non-metallic side of the PanoLock mortise box, insert the deadbolt adapter into the deadbolt drive until you feel it fully shift into place. The split square drive adapter is a two-piece design. From the non-metallic side of the PanoLock box, insert the non-flanged adapter. Next, insert the flanged portion of the adapter. Press firmly until you hear and feel the flanged adapter snap into place. Look on the inside portion of the thumb press plate. The set screw should reveal 1 to 2 threads on the bottom screw boss. The set screw is typically set to the proper position, but if not, adjust the screw accordingly. This will allow for maximum travel of the thumb press to operate PanoLock Plus. Next, place the deadbolt cylinder into the finished spacer ring and then insert both into the thumb press escutcheon plate. Before inserting, make sure that the deadbolt spindle is rotated to a horizontal position. After placing the thumb press side of the lock set, go ahead and secure the lower handle. Next, attach the deadbolt retainer plate. It is important that the spring-loaded spindle can go down and up when pressed. If not, the set screw on the handle must be loosened slightly using the Emtek supplied hex wrench. When loosening the set screw on the handle, use your index finger to keep the spindle from ejecting from the lock set. With the spring-loaded spindle free, you are now ready to attach the interior lock trim to the door using the finished screws from your Emtek pack. It is best to use a conventional screwdriver to tighten the screws in an alternating fashion. Now that the Emtek lock set interior portion is attached, you must tighten the set screw on the handle using the supplied hex wrench. Attach the decorative button to the lower handle and test the operation of the lock.